This is a circle. A circle has a radius, which is from the center point of the circle to the outside edge of a circle. It also has diameter. A diameter is from one side of the circle all the way to the other side of the circle. Radius is diameter divided by 2. And diameter is radius times 2, because radius is half of the diameter. Here's an example. If we are given the radius and it is 3, and we want to find the diameter, we would take r times 2. So in this case, we would plug in the 3 for r, so it would be 3 times 2 to get 6. So the diameter of this circle is 6. If we are given the diameter, which is 10, then we are going to plug into this equation r equals d over 2, which is radius equals diameter over 2. So if we plug 10 in for diameter, it'd be 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. So the radius is 5. For a rectangle, you are going to have 2 sets of parallel sides. So you can see this is one set of parallel sides, and this is the second set of parallel sides. In a rectangle, you also have 4 90-degree angles. A square can also be a rectangle. This is because it has 2 sets of parallel sides, and it also has 4 90-degree angles. A trapezoid has one set of parallel sides. As you can see, you can draw trapezoids in many different ways as long as it has one set of parallel sides. A rhombus has opposite sides that are parallel. So here are opposite sides that are parallel. And it also has opposite angles are the same degree. So these 2 angles are going to be the same degree measurement, and these 2 angles are going to be the same degree measurement. This is another example of a rhombus as well. Triangles can be defined in 2 ways. One of those ways is by its sides. If a triangle has the sides 4, 5, and 6, then it's going to be a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has no sides that are the same length. Next, you can have isosceles. If you have a side with 2 sides that are the measure of 4, and then one side the measure of 2, it's going to be isosceles because 2 sides are the same length, which is both of the 4. You can also have an equilateral triangle, which is all sides are the same length. So you can see that all of these sides are 5. Next, triangles can be defined by angles as well. So in this triangle, you see all the measurements of the angles are below 90 degrees. That means that it's going to be an acute triangle. You can also have a right triangle. A right triangle has one 90-degree angle, which you can see right here. Lastly, you can have an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has one angle measurement bigger than 90 degrees. So you can see right here where it says 120 degrees that is bigger than 90 degrees. And those are the properties of shapes.